Imagine for a moment, you look up at the night sky, at the billions of stars that dot the vastness of the universe. What if, amidst this immensity, we were not alone? And what if the answer to that age-old question was just a short leap of 40 light years away? For decades, humanity has dreamed of discovering a world mirrored to our own, a potential home for life, a planet that could rewrite our own history. And now, my friends, that possibility has become more real than ever. NASA astronomers and international research teams have just confirmed one of the most innovative and exciting discoveries in the search for alien worlds. Gliese 12b. This is not just another exoplanet. It is a rocky, Earth-sized planet, nestled in the habitable zone of its star, a place where conditions may allow for the existence of liquid water. Water, as we know, is the essence of life. Could Gliese 12b have oceans, clouds, and, who knows, even life thriving on its surface? On Future vs. Beyond, we will dive into this monumental discovery and explore what it means for our future and our understanding of the cosmos. To understand the magnitude of Gliese 12b, we first need a brief context. Since the discovery of the first exoplanet in 1992, over 5,000 worlds outside our solar system have been identified. However, finding a planet with the ideal characteristics, Earth-sized, rocky, and in its star's habitable zone, is like finding a needle in a cosmic haystack. Gliese 12b was discovered using NASA's transiting exoplanet survey satellite, TESS. This planet hunter detects tiny dips in a star's brightness when a planet passes in front of it. An ingenious method that allows us to infer the exoplanet's size and orbit. What TESS revealed about Gliese 12b is simply extraordinary. This world orbits a cool red dwarf star called Gliese 12, located an impressive 40 light-years away. Red dwarfs are smaller and less luminous than our Sun, but they are incredibly common in the universe and have a much longer lifespan, billions of years. This means Gliese 12b has had plenty of time for biological evolution, should conditions be favorable. Most importantly, Gliese 12b is located within its star's habitable zone. This is the region where temperatures are mild enough to allow liquid water to exist on a planet's surface. A fundamental requirement for life as we know it. Its equilibrium temperature is estimated to be approximately 42 degrees Celsius, 107 degrees, but this doesn't account for a possible atmosphere. If Gliese 12b has a dense atmosphere, it could moderate these temperatures, making the environment even more propitious. It completes an orbit around its star every 12.8 Earth days, meaning a much shorter year than ours. The discovery of Gliese 12b is not just a scientific feat, it is a technological breakthrough that pushes us to the next frontier of space exploration. Its proximity and characteristics make it a primary target for humanity's most powerful tools. Now, all eyes in the scientific community are on the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST. This giant of space engineering is our best hope for unraveling Gliese 12b's secrets. The JWST doesn't just capture images. It can analyze the light that passes through an exoplanet's atmosphere when it transits its star. By doing so, scientists can identify the chemical components of that atmosphere. The search for biosignatures is the ultimate goal. Could we find oxygen, methane, or other gases that together would suggest the presence of life? This atmospheric analysis is crucial. If we find an atmosphere rich in elements essential for life, Gliese 12b would go from a potentially habitable to a very high priority candidate for future missions and more in-depth studies. Beyond the search for life, the analysis of Gliese 12b will provide us with unprecedented insights into the formation and evolution of planets around red dwarfs, which are the most common stars in our galaxy. Understanding how habitability manifests in these stellar systems is fundamental to mapping the distribution of life in the universe. To understand the true excitement surrounding Gliese 12b, it's essential to hear from the scientists themselves. Shishir Dholakia, a PhD student at the University of Southern Queensland's Centre for Astrophysics and one of the lead researchers in this discovery, highlighted the importance of Gliese 12b with these words. This expert perspective underscores that Gliese 12b is not just a distant speck of light, but a kind of natural laboratory, a mirror that allows us to test theories about planetary habitability on a galactic scale. The lessons learned here could shape our understanding of how life might arise and thrive in other corners of the cosmos. The discovery of a potentially habitable planet so close to us is not just a scientific matter. It resonates across all spheres of society. The ethical, social, and economic implications are profound and deserve our attention. Ethics. If future missions confirm habitability, or, even more surprisingly, the presence of life on Gliese 12b, how should humanity proceed? Should we attempt to explore or even colonize? What are the ethical responsibilities involved in interacting with an alien ecosystem, even if microbial? These are complex questions that astrobiology and space ethics are already beginning to debate. Social. A discovery like Gliese 12b has the power to unite humanity in a common goal. It can inspire a new generation of scientists, engineers, and explorers. It can change our perception of the uniqueness of life on Earth, making us question our own place in the universe and fueling the curiosity that drives the human species. Economic. The race to explore exoplanets drives investment in space technology. This means advances in propulsion, robotics, artificial intelligence, and space observatories. Technologies that often find applications on Earth, benefiting sectors such as medicine, communications, and environmental monitoring. New industries and economic opportunities could arise as we venture into the cosmos. Gliese 12b is more than a headline in astronomy. It is a vivid reminder that our universe is vast, mysterious, and full of surprises. With each new discovery, we are one step closer to answering that question that has echoed since the beginning of civilization. Are we alone? This exoplanet invites us to dream and to plan. It challenges us to build more advanced technologies, to think more holistically, and to expand our horizons. The search for life on Gliese 12b is not just the search for them, it is also the search for a deeper understanding of us and our place in this astonishing cosmos. The James Webb Space Telescope is already eyeing Gliese 12b, and the upcoming observations will be crucial. As Futureverse Beyond continues to explore the wonders of the universe, we invite you to join us on this journey. The answers may be closer than we ever imagined. The discovery of Gliese 12b is a landmark. It is a testament to human ingenuity and our insatiable curiosity. A potentially habitable Earth-sized world just 40 light years away. The implications are colossal. Stay with us on Futureverse Beyond so you don't miss upcoming updates about Gliese 12b and other discoveries that are shaping humanity's future in the universe. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date. What are your hopes for Gliese 12b? Leave your comment below.